Before you book your next trip, let me ask you something. Have you ever arrived at a famous destination, only to feel disappointed? The photos looked magical. The videos promised perfection. But in reality, you found crowds, noise, high prices, and very little peace. What if I told you that some of the world's most famous places are no longer the best places to visit? And what if the real magic is happening somewhere quieter, somewhere most travelers completely ignore? Today, we're uncovering 5 hidden travel destinations that are more peaceful, more beautiful, and more authentic than the famous places everyone rushes to. If you enjoy discovering places before they go viral, like this video, subscribe to Travel Tapestry and let me know in the comments, which destination surprised you the most? Now let's begin our journey. Hallstatt is often described as a fairy tale village. And yes, it really is beautiful. But beauty comes with a cost. Every day, thousands of tourists arrive. The streets fill up before noon. People rush from one photo spot to another. Instead of calm, there's noise. Instead of charm, there's pressure to move quickly. Now imagine a village just as beautiful, but completely different in feeling. A peaceful lakeside town surrounded by tall alpine mountains. Water so still it mirrors the sky. Houses that feel lived in, not staged for photos. Here, mornings begin slowly. Locals walk along the lake. Church bells ring softly in the distance. No one is rushing you. No one is waiting behind you for a photo. You sit by the water, not to post online, but simply to enjoy the moment. Cafes invite you to stay longer. Conversations feel real, and the scenery feels personal. This place doesn't feel like a destination you visit. It feels like a place you experience. And suddenly, you understand something important. Travel isn't about famous names. It's about how a place makes you feel. The Amalfi Coast is one of the most photographed coastlines on Earth, but it's also one of the most crowded. Narrow roads packed with traffic, viewpoints filled with people waiting their turn. Restaurants charging high prices for average experiences. Now picture a different Mediterranean coast. Colorful towns resting quietly on cliffs. Clear blue water stretching endlessly below. Fishing boats rocking gently near the shore. Here, life feels natural. Locals greet each other by name. Meals are slow and unhurried. Sunsets belong to everyone, not just those who arrive early. There's no need to plan every minute, no pressure to see everything in one day. You walk along the coast without crowds behind you. You stop when you want. You sit when you feel like it. This coast doesn't compete for attention. It doesn't try to impress you. And that's exactly why it does. The beauty feels honest. The experience feels relaxed. And you leave feeling refreshed, not exhausted. Sometimes the best coastlines are the ones that let you breathe. Dubai is known for breaking records. Tallest buildings, biggest malls, brightest lights. It's impressive, but it can feel overwhelming. Now imagine a desert where nothing is built to impress. No skyscrapers, no artificial attractions, just endless golden sand. Here, silence becomes the experience. The wind shapes the dunes slowly. The sky feels bigger, and the nights are filled with stars instead of city lights. You don't rush here, you slow down. Stories are shared quietly. Traditions are lived naturally, and time feels less important. There's no schedule pushing you forward, no noise pulling your attention away. You feel small, but not insignificant. You feel connected to something older, something more real. This desert doesn't offer luxury in the usual way. It offers space, peace, and perspective. And sometimes that's exactly what we're searching for. Bali has inspired travelers for generations. But today, it's crowded, busy, and noisy. Traffic replaces tranquility. And quiet moments are harder to find. Now imagine an island where nature still leads. Waterfalls flow freely without lines. Jungles feel wild and untouched. Beaches feel personal, not staged. Here, mornings begin with natural sounds. Birds instead of horns. Waves instead of crowds. Life moves slower. Smiles feel genuine, and time feels generous. You don't feel like you're following a travel route. You feel like you're discovering something for yourself. There's no pressure to capture everything, no rush to move on. You simply exist in the moment. This island reminds you why people travel in the first place, not to escape life, but to feel it more deeply. Paris is known as the city of love, but romance isn't always found in busy streets or famous landmarks. There's another city in Europe where romance feels quieter and more personal. Cobblestone streets glow softly at night, rivers reflect warm lights, and cafes invite you to sit without watching the clock. Here, you walk without a plan, you turn corners out of curiosity, and moments happen naturally. No crowds pushing past you, no rush to see everything. Just conversation, just atmosphere, just time together. Romance here isn't about grand gestures, it's about shared silence, about walking slowly, about staying a little longer than planned. This city doesn't shout its beauty, it whispers it. And those are the places that stay with you the longest. Why hidden places feel better. The difference between famous places and hidden ones isn't just beauty, it's feeling. Hidden destinations don't ask you to rush. They don't demand attention. They don't try to sell you an experience. They simply let you be present. You remember how they made you feel, not how many photos you took. And years later, those quiet moments mean more than any famous landmark ever could. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these hidden destinations would you choose first? Tell me in the comments below. And if you enjoy discovering places before the world turns them into crowds, subscribe to Travel Tapestry. Because the best journeys are rarely the most famous ones. They're the ones that feel like secrets meant just for you.